You'll see them change formation into 7 arrow. Reaching the top of the loop on this beautiful day, they're approximately a mile high, over 6,000 feet. Slowing to 120 miles an hour, they'll get their first chance to look back at all of us watching. Go, Bob, go! Leading the formation as it twists to the right is Wing Commander John Bond, referred to by the pilots as hand side. The aim of the first half is to have all aircraft fly as one. They do this by listening to the commands from the team leader. The right hand side with creamy smoking blue, dusty smoking red in the rolls matched. Keep watching as the colour changes as they come round to the right. The aircraft split in front of us, reds 1, 2 and 3 are out to our left, reds 4, 5, 6 and 7 are out to the right. Section to the right is led by red 6, Flight Lieutenant George Hobday. He's in his first year as the synchro leader. Around the smoke from reds 1 and 2. The constantly changing vector from red 1 makes this difficult to orientate. Setting up for the Hannah break. manoeuvre, Reds 2 and 3 is sandwiched in between the boss and Red 5. This takes a huge amount of trust and skill in execution.
Holding, bye.
To take his references from the service in the military is incredibly rewarding but also demanding. None of us can do our jobs effectively without our families, friends and loved ones. This heartens to recognise their dedication and thank you for their continued support. I'd also like to take the opportunity today to dedicate the heart to Lisa from her son Owen. Keep watching for Red 7 to roll around and stop his roll before reversing it for Sidewinder. Over our heads, and we hope you agree this provides an awesome spectacle to finish the show. On behalf of myself, the Red Arrows and the Royal Air Force, we hope you enjoyed the show, and we'd like to thank you for coming out today, supporting these events and appreciating how amazing aviation is. We always love seeing your pictures, so please do link us in anything you've got on social media using the hashtag Red Arrows. As the team accelerate down towards us, please put your hands together and make some noise for the 2026 Red Arrows.